Hey, so I'm here with Rowdy with QuikPull, and he's going to give us a little bit of a demo of this really interesting product that he has in case you guys want to kind of save your back and quit the heavy lifting on your property and try and pull out trees, stumps, poles, whatever it is that's in the ground. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Rowdy. Hey Rowdy, what's up? Can you go ahead and give me some information on your product?
Yeah, we're NW QuikPull. We are owner-operated, American-made, and veteran-owned. And we invented a tool that pops out concrete footings, trees, shrubs, about anything you want. It has 10,000 pounds worth of pulling pressure, so it has more pulling power than your tractor. And it weighs a total of 50 pounds. It folds up into an 8-inch box, so it's portable. This is that tool for the guy that doesn't own a $500,000 excavator. If you're that hobby farmer and you got projects around the house, you need to replace your mailbox, your flagpole, your landscaping, your trees, shrubs, or you have a concrete footing that needs to be pulled, we got 10,000 pounds of pressure, and kind of a bonus, if you use your rock bar inside the handle, out here you've got 20,000 pounds worth of pulling pressure. To see our videos, go to our website at nwquikpull.com or look us up on social media.
Thanks a lot, Rowdy. Appreciate that.